What's up, YouTubers? This is Tuzlo. Today I am being forced to go to a dumb car meet that I don't want to go to. One of my friend Toby with a DC5 Integra or RSX wants me to go to this car meet in Lathrop Target to be exact, and I don't want to go. I stopped going to these meets that people make up out of nowhere. I don't like going to them. I used to go to them a lot back in the day with my old Corolla, and frankly I don't want to go. But I guess let's go see what's up. So we are in the extra really slow Corolla, and yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I passed smog. Yep, passed smog. Really happy with that. Now I could go get my tags for this year and install my intake and maybe finally get that PPE header and the ECU reflash. Who knows? Well, who is that right there? I lied, I'm going into Celica. Ha! Makes me come to a freaking meet. He's back there! We're gonna get shut down. That right there is a rent-a-cop. He is not happy with us being here, so I estimate we will only be here for like 10 minutes before the police show up and ask everyone for their IDs and their license plate, registration, proof of insurance. This guy, man, telling me to get out of my house, stop doing my homework, telling me to come to this meet.
Quit being antisocial.
Antisocial.
Right? You need to get out of your house for
I'm the definition of antisocial,
man. You're like
man.
a fucking bum that hasn't shaved, like got a haircut in the past 2 years.
I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's talking about.
That's why you got your hair on, because you're embarrassed of your hair.
What hair? And no one is embarrassed.
That's why that shit looks like a helmet.
Why'd you hit up the homie Ricardo?
That's your homie.
Bring the Turbo Civic.
That's your
It's Joseph, guy with the silver Celica.
Why didn't you invite him?
Because you fucking text me like 10 minutes
There's
before.
no way he's gonna come. He
would have.
He's like, I have work in the morning or some shit like that.
Nah, I'll wait till Jared gets here.
Jared ain't coming.
He's coming.
That's why you ain't letting me hold it.
What do you want to see about it? Here.
I'm just checking it out.
So, my name is Sebastian. I'm too slow.
What does this fucking YouTube thing say?
It says
Locally hated garage.
Locally hated garage, dude. Who is this guy right here? What's going on right here, dude?
Oh, what the? Hey.
Talking shit already.
That car can be boosted in my opinion.
Dude, everyone's like super late, but meet was at 8 and it's 8:43.
Man, let's drive out to Sac.
Yeah, it is him. It is him. I forgot his name.
What the fuck's that?
Jared knows him.
Bro, that's that shit I fucking hate. That's that shit I fucking hate. He can really boost his car and we can't boost ours.
Oh, wow.
I'm about to go K20.
What? You said you wanted to turbo your car to hear what?
What are you laughing at?
All you're gonna hear is
But it smells so fucking bad when I'm behind you guys. Like, it smells so bad. I'm like, holy.
Dude, I think it's your transmission, dude.
It's my transmission. I already know it is because when we were
dude,
on
the highway and
on the highway,
on the
were you
freeway
in
smelled
third?
like shit too.
On the highway, were you in third?
Yeah, I was in third.
Yeah,
pretty
same.
much.
We both hit it, and I heard you hit lift.
Yeah, because if I was in second,
I never hit lift.
if I was in second,
Why would this transmission fucking make his shit spit out garbage?
no.
My transmission's just not efficient.
His transmission is crap,
It
dude.
smells so rich, dude.
It's not rich.
It smells like.
If it's not rich, then why the fuck should people think I was hitting fuel cutoff?
Dude, it smells worse than the fucking guys that came up to the
That
meet.
smells bad, dude.
It smells
did?
really
Yeah,
bad.
it smells bad.
It smells really bad.
Wait, like just driving?
Like,
Yeah, even if it's just
normal.
Well, not.
You're-
I think like.
I
Even,
think you're spending hella gas, dude. I think you're wasting hella gas. Hey, look, it's an XRS.
It is?
Nah, it's only an S.
Like,
Whoa, wrong. Over here. We're going to T4.
Yes, you have.
you guys want to go get ice cream?
No.
Why is it dead here too?
I saw the talk to her.
It's not my type.
Yes, she is.
How you gonna tell me?
Go.